Look at that beautiful handle, man. Can y'all see that handle? Didn't I do a beautiful job? Come on, man. Y'all gotta admit it. Nah, I'm messing with y'all. But this is nice. This is nice. You gotta have this. This part comes separately. I think I bought this from Encompass. And then, you know, I kind of put some Teflon tape, screw that in there. Then I got this little flexible hose with this little shut-off valve. That way, when I have the unit sitting on the tank, you know, I don't have to keep coming trying to shut the unit on and off from here, which is kind of interrupting the scale. You see what I'm saying? So I'm doing it from this point instead of doing it from over here, because I don't want to interrupt the scale once I got this on the scale trying to measure my refrigerant in. You hear a little just came out, so I had a little bit in there. You know, so yeah, this is a must-have. Hit me up in the like section, in the comment section. Let me know if you guys found that, you know, this to be helpful, all this info to be helpful right here. Send it to y'all friends, family, folks, you know, anyone that you think can use a little bit of motivation, guidance, and stuff like that. Hit up the subscribe button. These are my rods here. This is my 15% silver rods. Must have. Now, the braze on refrigeration system that we work on, you need 15% silver and 45% silver rods, and that's what I use. I got this little brush here that I can clean out a little drain tube with. More leak detector fluid, stay flux. You need this when you're doing your brazing. Must have, and always must have, plenty of sandpaper so you could clean the system. This is a dryer filter with a viewing scope. You know, you're gonna find this helpful here. Tape measure. This is my silver brazen. This is the same as this, but this is in the coil. You know, so I can get this in either stick or coil, and I have, you know, 45 and 15%. That's what you need. This right here, a little brush. Now this is the stand that I can put here and hook my little torch to. You know, that way I don't put it down on nothing hot. Put it on any surface to damage it. Stay flux. You need that for your brazing. It goes back in there. Alright, so you got this little tool here, this little punch you could call it. What else I got in here? Wedge, call that. Regular screwdriver. I got my Pearson pliers. You know, I can just clip on the refrigeration line while I have my gauge hooked up. I don't use this often. I don't really like it, to be honest. Spanner wrench. What else I have in here? No trash there. Got some gloves. Always gotta have some gloves. Let me set that over there. Pearson valve, a must-have. Gotta have a lot of Pearson valve. Don't find yourself on the job and you ain't got no Pearson valve, because I told you. Don't remember, Geo told you. All right. This right here is a torch guard. You could clip this on the edge of your, imagine this is your torch, clip it on the edge of it. That way when you're doing brazing, you know, you're able to contain the flame. This right here is a must-have. You know, I got good to the point where I don't really need it, but you know, if you have to make one or whatever you got to do, if you're just beginning, new to this will kind of help you to kind of control the flame, you know, get things done much better. Alright, I got an extension cord in here. Oh, that's a piece of wire. Extension outlet. I got another Pearson valve. Allen wrench to clean the pipes. More to clean the pipes. And this I find helpful. This you could use on washers, and it's like a trampoline little puller here. You know, but come in handy when you're trying to pull agitator, belt, or whatever, springs off this washer. So I definitely recommend getting some of these trampoline springs. I mean, you're gonna find this useful across many different things you're doing in this business. Right here, I got my pressure tube adapter kit. So you could actually just hook it, you know, right up to your refrigerant line and hook up your gauge to it. I don't use this much, so throwing that back in the bag where it belongs. This right here, wedge 2. You see how it works? Yeah, come in handy a lot of time when I'm trying to put 2 pipes together that's the same size. Oh yeah, gotta get one of these. All right, put that in there. Now I'm gonna go over my seal system bucket that I got over here. I'm gonna go over all the seal system stuff that I got in this video, mainly just for seal system. Seal system tools I use to get the job done and be successful in my line of business. All right, this is just my tub of seal system stuff. You can see you always, I'll say always must have all these stuff that I'm telling you must have. I'm telling you, I mean, I end up in a position where, you know, I didn't have it, and you know, that's over the years, and I learned from all those experiences. So what I'm telling you guys, you know, is what I've been through. So a lot of different types of dryer filters for different type of refrigerators. You know, comes in handy. This is a regulator for my acetylene tank. I have some more of this here. See, I have some caliper tubing, different size that I walk around with, just in case. Never know when you need it. Better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Now this right here is for our R600A system to kind of let the gas out. You could take this, run it through a window, and kind of let the gas out the system if you're close by a window, or to discharge the system, you could use a refrigerant bag and do it that way. But you can't reclaim that R600A, so don't try reclaiming that. All right, I just got a different torch tank set up here, just in case I need it. You know, never know. Another one over here. More dryer filter. It's one of my favorites right here. I love this puppy. Love this puppy. And tip comes out. I just hook this straight up to my acetylene tank, and off to the races. Ready to go. Ready to fire. So I do it different ways. This is what I'm telling you guys that you all need to have for brazing, purging the system and so forth. Comes in handy. And you can see I got a couple more of these. So let me know in the comment section. You know, hit up the like, hit up the subscribe. I'll let you guys know, send you all the info for these. So anything you all see, just hit me up, let me know. Hit up the subscribe button, hit up the share button, share with y'all friends and family. Hit up the subscribe button. All right, I got some more hoses down there. I like, and a whole bunch of different type of brushes, stainless steel brushes to clean the refrigeration line. And here I got the scale. I never use this. I always use the little small one with that little stand for the refrigeration can. So I've always been doing it. So a lot of these stuff that I show you that I say is must have is, you know, gotta have it. All right, thank you all for watching. Really appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys hitting up the like and subscribe button, hitting up the share button. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. Oh yeah, that's all the seal system stuff. All right, so you guys stay tuned. We're gonna go over other different section, you know, of the work van later. You know, what I use for and what I use in different parts I use for you know, different appliances and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. As I say, I really appreciate it. All right.